Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to uncover the secret to ultimate wellness? Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a drink so potent and packed with nutrients that it just might be the healthiest beverage on the planet. Sounds too good to be true? Well, get ready to be amazed because we're diving into the world of the ultimate health elixir. Before we dive into the details, let me ask you something. Have you ever stood in the beverage aisle at your local store, overwhelmed by the sheer number of choices, wondering which one is truly good for you? I know I have. It's confusing with all the marketing claims out there. But what if I told you that the healthiest drink isn't something you can buy off the shelf? It's something you can easily make at home with simple, wholesome ingredients. The secret to this incredible drink lies in its ingredients, a powerhouse combination of fruits, vegetables, and spices that you can find in any grocery store. And the best part? It tastes amazing and can make you feel like $1,000,000. So, what's in this magical health elixir? Let's break it down. First up, we have cucumbers. These hydrating vegetables are packed with minerals and antioxidants, especially in their skin. Cucumbers are fantastic for detoxifying the body and reducing inflammation. Next, let's add an apple. Apples bring a touch of sweetness to the drink and are loaded with fiber and vitamin C. They also make the drink more palatable for those new to juicing. Now, here's a powerhouse spice, turmeric. Whether you use fresh root or powder, turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been studied for its potential to help manage a variety of health conditions, from arthritis to heart disease. We can't forget ginger. This super root is another strong anti-inflammatory ingredient that aids digestion, relieves nausea, and even alleviates pain. Then, we add the juice of half a lemon. High in vitamin C, lemon juice boosts iron absorption and supports liver function and detoxification. Finally, load up on leafy greens like kale, spinach, or mint. These greens are rich in chlorophyll, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The more variety, the better. So, how do you make this incredible health elixir? Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, with its skin on. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, fresh root or powder, 1 apple. Juice of half a lemon. 1-inch chunk of ginger, peeled. A handful of mint leaves. 2 large kale leaves, or other greens like spinach or lemongrass. Instructions: always choose organic produce when possible to minimize exposure to pesticides. If organic isn't available, wash everything thoroughly. Leave the skin on the cucumber and apple after giving them a good scrub. Use a high-quality juicer or blender. If using a blender, you may need to strain the juice through a nut milk bag or fine mesh strainer to remove the pulp. Drink the juice immediately after making it for maximum absorption and nutrient benefits. It's best consumed on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or at least 30 minutes before a meal. Drinking this health elixir daily can help reduce inflammation, support liver detoxification, boost your immune system, improve digestion, increase energy levels, alkalize your body. While this drink is incredibly beneficial, it's important to be aware of a few considerations. 1. Blood thinners. If you're on blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before consuming large amounts of leafy greens, as they're high in vitamin K. 2. Kidney stones. Those prone to kidney stones should talk to their doctor before consuming high oxalate greens like spinach. 3. Thyroid issues. People with thyroid conditions should moderate their intake of cruciferous vegetables like kale. 4. Blood sugar. Monitor your blood sugar levels if you have diabetes, as the natural sugars in the fruits can cause slight spikes. 5. Allergies. Be mindful of any allergies to ingredients like apples or cucumbers. 6. Drug interactions. Check with your healthcare provider to ensure there are no interactions with your medications. 7. Digestive sensitivities. Start with smaller quantities if you're new to juicing to avoid digestive discomfort. Remember, this elixir is a fantastic addition to a balanced diet, but it's not a replacement for a varied and nutritious eating plan. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you're inspired to give this health elixir a try. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of natural health. For more tips, recipes, and inspiration to live your healthiest life, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, tell me in the comments, are you going to make this elixir? How do you feel about using natural remedies to boost your health? Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, your health is worth the squeeze. Bye.